Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off Google tracking of web and app activity on Android 16 with One UI 8.5. I'm going to start with showing you guys how to turn this feature off since it's already on. To turn it off, you're going to scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, now go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and go to Google Services. Now you're going to click on the arrow to the right of your name and your email address right under Google Services. And once you click on that, you're going to go to Manage your Google account. Alright, so that should take you to this screen. It says Google account. It has your name and your email address. We have set a home address for your Google account, wallet and subscriptions, personal info, security and sign-in, Google password, linked apps. We're going to go to Data and Privacy. It says History Settings, Apps and Services, Data Deletion. So click on that. Now go to My Activity. It says View and Manage history saved in your Google account when you use certain Google services. So click on that. It says My Google Activity. The activity you keep helps Google make services more useful for you, like helping you rediscover the things you've searched for, read, and watched. You can see and delete your activity on some Google sites and apps using the controls on this page. Manage other activity controls. Google always collects, uses, and processes data in accordance with the Google privacy policy. For example, regardless of these settings, Google can collect and use data that is not associated with your account. So you want to look for web and app activity. It should be at the bottom right under YouTube history. And as you can see, it's currently set to on. So you're going to click on the arrow beside that. It says web and app activity. Choose whether to save your activity on some Google sites and apps, including associated info like location, to get better recommendations and more personalized experience. Learn more about web and app activity. So as you can see, it's currently set to on, and then on the right side, we have an option for turn off with a drop-down arrow beside it. I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow so we can turn off or turn off and delete activity. I'm going to go with turn off, so you're going to click the first option. Your web and app activity setting is off. New activity won't be saved on your web and app activity. When this setting is off, new activity won't be saved in your web and app activity in your Google account. Data you keep can still be used. Web and app activity data you do not delete can be used even when this setting is off. Data will still be deleted based on your web and app activity auto deletion option, which you can change at any time. Google may delete some types of data sooner. Data Google still collects and why. This setting does not affect data from other settings or features you have enabled. For example, timeline data, play history data, play games profile, search services history, other activity data like survey responses, reviews, and ratings you provided Google. View and manage more data in your Google account. Google always collects, uses, and processes data in accordance with the Google privacy policy. For example, even when this setting is off, Google may still collect and use data that is not associated with your account. Google may also temporarily use data, like your recent searches, to make sure you get relevant results. Learn more about web and app activity. So from here you can turn it back on by clicking Turn Back On or select Got It to leave it off. I'm going to select Got It. It says your activity hasn't been deleted. Your previously saved web and app activity will still be stored and used to personalize your experience unless you delete it from your account. From here you can delete activity or select Got It. I'm going to go with Got It because I don't want to delete anything right now. So that is how you turn off Google tracking of web and app activity. Now I'm going to show you guys how to turn it back on. It's super simple. As you can see, it's currently set to off, and all you have to do to turn it back on is click Turn On. Turn on web and app activity. Get more personalized experiences. When this setting is on, some Google services can make your experience more personalized by using information in your Google account like your saved info or activity across Google sites and apps. For example, you might see results that are relevant to a general location you've searched for in the past. Saves your activity in your web and app activity. This setting saves activity on some Google services that do not provide a separate activity control in your web and app activity in your Google account. For example, your interactions with Google Assistant, the things you search on Google TV, the articles you read on Google Support, and the products you view from the Google Store are saved by this setting. Web and app activity data can include info about your location from your device's general area and IP address, which is automatically deleted from your web and app activity data after 30 days. Learn more about location information at g.co/privacypolicy/location. Your web and app activity data is used to tailor your experience across Google services. Google can also use your data for other purposes as described in the Google privacy policy, such as improving our services. Change your settings or delete data anytime. You can visit activity.google.com to turn off this setting or view, delete, and download your web and app activity data. Your data will be kept until you delete it based on your auto deletion option, which you can change at any time. Data you keep can be used even when this setting is off. To choose whether the apps you see are personalized based on your activity or sites and apps, go to g.co/myAdCenter. Personalized ads are currently on. Data Google still collects and why. Google always collects, uses, and processes data in accordance with the Google privacy policy. For example, even when this setting is off, Google may still collect and use data that is not associated with your account. Google may also temporarily use data like your recent searches to make sure you get relevant results. Other data may be collected and used because of other settings or features you've enabled. Learn more about web and app activity. Now you can select Don't Turn On or Turn On. I'm going to go with Turn On. Setting is on, save web and app activity, and then click Got It. So that is how you turn on and off Google tracking of web and app activity on Android 16 with One UI 8.5. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.